Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you watch a movie on your Plex app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Plex app to watch on your Plex app. So all you have to do is you just come here to this list and choose a movie you want to watch here. So I'm going to click to this movie, for example here. I'm going to click to this movie here, then it's going to take us in this list. Then you click here on play, so you just click here on play. So then it's going to work with you here in this list. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's also just switch into uh finish ads with you here. So when it's going to finish, then it's going to open with your movies. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.